We are at 3762 Landon Court. This is in Gulf Breeze, right next to the Tiger Point Recreation Center. Entering through the front door, we enter into a nice foyer, which is open to the dining, living, and kitchen rooms. So here's our dining, our living room, and our kitchen as well. So here's that front door. Now, if we took a direct left off of the front door, we'll come to the first of the bedrooms. This could be a home office or a spare bedroom for visitors. We do have carpeting in the main living areas and then tile in the rest. We do have nice vaulted ceilings and surround sound setup. And here's our kitchen, all stainless steel appliances. We also have our eat-in kitchen area and our pantry just around here. So here's another view of the kitchen. Now, just off the kitchen, we have our laundry room, which gives us access to the garage as well. We're gonna go to the bedrooms first. So we're gonna go through our living room. The master bedroom is on the opposite side of the house than the other bedrooms. So here's our master suite. Very good size. We have some nice lighting from these windows. And you can see our closet and bathroom as well. We'll go into the walk-in closet first. It has plenty of storage space. And here is our bathroom. We have a double sink vanity, nice towel closet, and garden tub and shower. So here's that bathroom. Heading back out now, we'll go across the living room to the other side of the house with the 2 bedrooms and bathroom down a short hallway. So going left, this room is backing up to that dining area. Coming back out now, straight down the hallway, we have our half hall bathroom, Very nice setup, good size for children or guests. Another closet here, and then here's our last bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. It's on the back side of the house. Coming back out now, we'll go into the backyard. It is entirely fenced in. We have a nice patio area as well. And we have a shed for some storage space. As you can see, we do have the speakers continuing outside for some outdoor entertainment. And here is our backyard. And here's that large patio. Perfect for some cookouts or family gatherings. Heading back inside now. This house is directly next to the Tiger Point Recreation Center. It's just a short minute or 2 walk from the house to that park. So it's great for kids or if you're an active person. We'll go to the laundry room and garage area now. So here is that laundry room and our 2-car garage. We do also have some storage space in here as well. We've got some cabinets. Heading back inside. Again, this is 3762 Landon Court, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.